Bonjour! This is Beau Beau Ze Baker, and today I am going to make bread! The first thing you need to make bread is a scale to weigh all your ingredients. First, we need 345 grams of water. So we need 2 teaspoons of yeast. Now we need 430 grams of flour. And now the fun part, mixing it all together, making it into dough. Whoa, this feels so weird. Your dough should be all sticky and wet when you're done mixing it. It is good. So now we need to cover the dough with plastic wrap so it can rise. Heat the dough in a warm place overnight, and tomorrow we'll bake the bread. Look how beautiful and bubbly the dough is! So now we need to take the dough out and shape it. So first, you need to put some flour on your surface so the dough doesn't stick everywhere. That's pretty good. Ow. And put the dough right on top. That feels so cool. So now we're gonna shape it. Okay, so now we need to fold the dough. And then the fun part, flip it. So now we need to put some wheat germ or flour on top of a clean towel. And then put the dough right on top. And cover it. It's like a little present. Now it needs to rest for 2 hours. Now we have to preheat our oven to 450 degrees for 30 minutes. You're pulling out the pan, ask a parent to help you. Now we need to put the dough in the pan so we can bake it. Put the cover on the pan and then put it in the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take off the cover and put it back in the oven for 20 minutes. Oh my gosh, guys, look at how beautiful this is. So now it's time to cut the bread so we can taste it, of course. Make sure to have a parent watching you. Wow, that's hot.